Friends, welcome to our channel. Today I will discuss about how to create the block definition in AutoCAD. Block definition, it means individual line has been selected in all diagram is one time. So now I will go to start from this here. This is a line. When I select the line and start from the create in background. So first of all, select this line here, start from this point to get joint. When get here, then also click down direction and click this here and provide the point also, and also click joint in this point and make so this is create the line here and enter. So this is the simple diagram like that. When create this line has block definition. So how to get the block definition? When first of all, when I provide this show you, look at this. This is our simple object here. When if I select this individual selection, I want this line selection, so this is the individual selection. I want this line selection, this is individual. I want this line selection, this is individual. I want this line selection. So it means, what do you understand? If this all selection is individual, but they are anywhere I will present this particular all diagram. So when I got the highlighted from this line and give the color, this particular highlighted from here like red. When how to give the block definition? So enter the B enter, it's become a block. Look at this here, B enter is become block. When go to block here, enter the block definition. First of all, I will click the name also. This is name here, and this is 00 axis is here, and also just only for if you want to give the description, so give that, otherwise you can put down name and OK. Block definition, it means one time to all diagram selection. This is called here block definition. Look at this, I am select only for this line, but all diagram has been selected. So this is the block definition when you create the individual component. And if you want okay, no problem. When I here show you now this is create the rectangle also. The rectangle is before create the block position, right? So look at this, I am select this one line, all selection is all line, but I want exploded. So exploded is shortcut key E X. This is exploded view. If I exploded is X enter. When you go to X enter, then after this is the individual selection, this is the individual selection, this is the individual selection, then also this is the individual selection. But I want this total rectangle has convert block definition one selection. So when you go to click B, enter, they are coming from this background, and we will provide the rectangle and OK. So then after I will select this, not the total selection, this is the individual selection. So if I move anywhere, this all diagram has gone to particular. Okay, when I select this one single here and I want to go to Control M and move their position, so it is get to they are joined. If I create the circle, right, this is here circle, and when I make the circle here, okay, this is circle, right, then this circle has been created and I want select. So I want select this circle, so this is called individual selection, right? But this is all body selection, this is all body selection, but all body I have need the block definition. So Control B is become block definition, and when I provide the all image, you whatever you give that here name, there is no anything. I have only for provide the A, is the name. So do you know I'm selection this one component and one line is selected for all line. So it's a very useful for working in this block definition, because when the much more diagram has been created in AutoCAD is a bigger file. So how do you select it in place and fitting is in more importance. Like if you make the big large diagram and you do want to your diagram has particular selection, like I will show you. This is here already developed component. I want this total part has been one block definition. So when you go to block, and I will provide the one diagram, and also again I want this is second block definition, so I want D. So this is both of us block has been created. I am selecting this one place, not in here, not in here, not in here. They are not the required in everywhere in selection. They are required in only one place has been selected. It's become move and copy and everything you can do easily in AutoCAD project. Same thing like that, this diagram, it is block definition has been converted, and Control C and go to copy and move. So there is very importance for copy and move for all diagram, only for one click selection. Then after you want to block definition remove, so Control S, Control X, enter. So this is very important for diagram is using for block definition work, right? So when I have control back, so this type of working in block definition in AutoCAD. And thank you for watching this video.